In this video I will show you how you can deploy your Lovable app into the Netlify. So it's really easy to do it, and the first step is basically you just want to open your app, and then in top right corner you want to click on this small GitHub icon, and from here you want to sync this project to GitHub. So click on connect GitHub, then connect project, then you want to choose your organization. So this is my GitHub account. Then you want to click on transfer anyway, and now this should sync our project to GitHub. It shows it's connected. So now we need to go to Netlify and click on add a new project, then import an existing project, and we will import it from GitHub. So choose GitHub, then you want to connect your GitHub account. Then you just want to select your app, and I will find it by name because I have a lot of apps. So Simple Math Buddy is my app in Lovable. So I'm gonna type in this search bar simple, and it should find my calculator. As you can see a minute ago, so this is it. I'm gonna click on it, then you can choose your team, so your team. Then you want to choose a name, project name, so you can type your name. And then you have those build settings, so from here you can choose branch to deploy, so it's main. You can choose base directory, etc. So then you just want to click on deploy your app, and this should deploy your Lovable app into the Netlify. And then as you can see, it was successfully connected when you see this green dot. So I'm gonna open it, and this is your app on Netlify. So now you have a couple of settings. So let's say you can add a database, or you can go to domain management to add your custom domain. So if you click on it, you want to go here and click on add a domain, and you can buy a new domain or add the domain you already own. So if you want to add your custom domain, you just want to paste your domain here. So let's say you have Hostinger domain. So I'm gonna open Hostinger, and then I will copy my domain. I'm gonna paste it here. Then you just want to click on add a domain. And now from here you want to change your name servers to be able to use it. So you want to click on this option next to your domain, and then click on go to DNS panel. And then you need to point your domain name servers to Netlify. So you have those 4 name servers which you need to add to Hostinger. So you can just copy this first one because they are same. The difference is just this number. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to go to Hostinger, then DNS name servers. And then from DNS records, you want to click on change name servers. Then click on change name servers, and then you want to add those name servers here. So I'm gonna copy each one here, and then just change the number. So this was second, third one, and fourth one. Then click save. And now this will add those Netlify name servers to your Hostinger. So it might take up to 24 hours to domain to propagate to the new name servers. So you just need to wait, but you can check it on Netlify. So after like 15 minutes, I refreshed the Netlify site, and the checkmark academy www, this redirect domain, was successfully connected. So it's showing me this checkmark, and you just need to wait for this primary domain to propagate. And also the SSL certificate was successfully connected. So we just need to wait for this. Your domain will be connected, and you can start using your custom domain. So this is how you can deploy your Lovable app to Netlify and add custom domain. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.